folks, this is just a really short video. Just want to let you know, I pulled 2 Dark Charizard cards. Yes, 2 of them out of Champions Path boxes recently. I'll have them in the top-down view here real quick so you can see them. It's kind of cool because you can, if you move them in a different light, you can see how they shift to various different colors, which is really cool. It's kind of sad because I was actually recording the Champions Path unboxing of these. However, the above camera wasn't working. I wasn't actually recording, which sucks. So I didn't actually get these, get my reaction. But that being said, I pulled 2 of them. This is awesome. These are really pretty rare cards. They're worth quite a bit. We'll be getting these sent out to be graded soon. One thing you should definitely always do is, like I said, check your equipment because it sucks. I didn't get the reaction to it, but these are really cool. And I hope you like this quick video. Yeah, and see you later.